Do you know what helps move massive machines weighing hundreds of tons over hundreds of kilometers to their work sites? Behind these impossible feats are some of the biggest and most powerful machines, capable of performing months' worth of work in just a few weeks. Stick around and discover the incredible transporters of these insanely large machines. 1. National Group. The first and foremost is national heavy haulage when it comes to the transportation of insanely heavy machines. The company's demonstrated experience in the transportation of equipment of any size. If you see a heavy machine being transported smoothly without any disruption, you can already guess you're seeing the haulage by the National Group. National Heavy Haulage operates specialized trailers up to a 200-ton capacity throughout Australia. The vehicles are state-of-the-art and in most cases are built specifically for a particular haul, project or task. These heavy vehicles are operated by staff who are classed as the best in their field, who experienced employees supervise. Due to the depth and complexity of tasks, the company focuses mainly on major projects and prides itself on providing personalized services. Moreover, national heavy haulage trucks have satellite tracking installed, so the clients can stay informed of where their cargo is at all times. 2. Panther Series 2. Now we're moving on to the magical performance of the Panther Series 2. This low loader makes the big and really difficult tasks look easier. Designed and manufactured in-house by an experienced team, the new Panther Series 2 low loader range has been developed for the mining industry with safety and ease of operation as its key focus. Piacentini and Son work with clients to accommodate their specific requirements. Panther's low loaders range from 80,000 kilograms up to 1 million kilograms payload and can be customized for a particular selection of earth-moving and mining equipment as well as specific conditions on the mine site. The mechanical engineering and drafting department of the company has utilized the latest design and drafting software to take the job to the next level. Design optimization using finite element analysis, FEA, and stress relieving of fabricated components make the machine powerful enough to transport a load of up to 1 million kilograms. 3. MAmmoet. Next up are the MAmmoet, powerful and crazy machines that take the unbelievably big machines and loads to their destinations. To enhance efficiency and productivity, the industry is increasingly using larger and more complex components. Modular construction techniques enable facilities to be built simultaneously and more cost-effectively in controlled environments with abundant skilled labor. Implementing a heavy transport strategy that lifts, moves and installs modules in a seamless sequence can accelerate project timelines. Moreover, an effective heavy transport approach minimizes site disruption by keeping congested areas clear and delivering modules just in time for installation. Large equipment or even entire facilities can be transported globally in one piece, eliminating the need for time-consuming disassembly and reassembly at the start and end of the journey. MAmmoet features the world's largest fleet of heavy transport equipment. Their extensive inventory includes hundreds of prime movers and a variety of conventional and specialized trailers, such as the girder frame trailer primarily used for transporting electrical transformers. 4. Quip SW450. Moving on to the next legend, the Quip SW450. On mining sites, there's a need for rubber-tired low loaders to transport large equipment across the site. This is especially important for crawler-mounted machinery, which can suffer from excessive undercarriage wear during extended travel. Some of this equipment can weigh over 300 tons. Swing wheel low loaders are rear-loading heavy equipment movers that feature a unique mechanism for swinging the wheels aside, allowing loading via a fixed built-in ramp at the rear. Quip has produced swing wheel low loaders with payload capacities of 300, 385, and 450 tons. Traditionally, low loaders used for transporting such heavy equipment have multiple small diameter tires that fit beneath the platform. Typically, these setups involve 32 wheels arranged in 4 rows of 8 wheels each. A complex load equalization system connects the wheels to ensure the load is evenly distributed over uneven road conditions, with each wheel set equipped with brakes. 5. Sleipner DB. Moving on to our next machine, Sleipner DB. In terms of mobility, safety, agility, and rugged reliability, nothing can beat this Sleipner DB series. More than traditional low-bed trailers, they offer fast loading, agile transporting, reliable braking, and sufficient ground clearance, maximizing productivity and minimizing maintenance costs. The DB series features 2 heavy-duty trailer models for moving tracked equipment weighing up to 130 metric tons at speeds of up to 15 to 30 km per hour, 9 to 18 miles per hour. They can even be used for wheeled equipment. Their versatility is limited only by your imagination and the maximum allowed payload. Their tilting bed enables easy loading and unloading. Their small turning radius provides agility in crammed quarries, and their high ground clearance makes them suitable for a variety of terrains. What's more, their reliable braking ensures safety. 6. TowHaul. Moving on to TowHaul Corporation, which stands out as a top producer of heavy-duty off-road lowboys and haul truck recovery systems for surface mining operations. TowHaul offers lowboys with capacities ranging from 100 to 1,600 tons, enhancing fleet mobility, boosting productivity, and cutting maintenance costs. Since creating the original mining lowboy in 1977, founder Frank Smith achieved another milestone in 1990 with the introduction of the towing gooseneck. Front-loading lowboys for quick and efficient equipment loading. TowHaul's premier product is the front-loading lowboy, which includes a single haul truck-type axle, low-profile ramps for easy loading, and a modular design for convenient shipping and on-site installation. The low-profile modular trailer uses either a new dry drum brake axle with 49-inch or 51-inch tires, or a rebuilt Caterpillar axle featuring a ground-driven brake cooling system for tires up to 63 inches. The TowHaul multi-purpose gooseneck is among the most versatile pieces of equipment on a mine site. It can connect to and pull a TowHaul lowboy, and it can also be converted into a tow truck capable of recovering the largest haul trucks in the world. Additionally, the gooseneck can attach to other specialized trailers made by TowHaul, such as the dragline bucket transporter or water tank carrier. With a TowHaul gooseneck, a single haul truck can perform multiple functions on a mine site, offering unparalleled versatility. 7. The Sleipner transport system. Next on with Sleipner, transporting an excavator from one location on site to another can be achieved in a fraction of the time compared with driving on tracks, resulting in greater productivity. Thanks to this increased flexibility of transport, loading can be planned more efficiently. At the same time, the utilization rate of equipment is increased. You can achieve the highest level of flexibility when you have a Sleipner for each excavator. Everything is done mechanically, with operators remaining in their cabins at all times. During transport, the tracks hover just above the ground and can be lowered any time by the operator to halt movement. This method reduces vibrations, improving the operator's working conditions, and it features automatic safety brakes designed for slopes up to 20%, keeping the machine stable on uneven terrain. It operates efficiently in all weather conditions and is user-friendly. However, only trained personnel should handle them to ensure safety and productivity. The first models are still functioning after years of use, and the design is internationally patented. 8. Bulldozer transport. The next is a great story of transporting earth-moving giants. In Siberia, transporting goods over 1,000 kilometers of frozen terrain is a daunting task, especially along the ice road full of challenges. The road, which only allows access during winter, is well known for its unpredictability and deadly conditions. It's not hard to understand that mistakes can lead to fatal consequences due to the extreme cold and isolation. A crucial transport involves moving a massive Komatsu D475A bulldozer, weighing 86 tons, from Magadan to a remote gold mine. The journey is fraught with challenges, including mechanical failures, dangerous ice roads, and severe weather. The drivers, led by Denis Afaritovich Ravikov, must navigate over icy mountain passes and unpaved roads while dealing with potential mechanical issues that could spell disaster in the unforgiving cold. The pack doing the task faced numerous challenges, from overheating brakes to tire blowouts, requiring constant checks and risky maneuvers. But despite these hurdles, the drivers pushed forward, knowing that delays could result in significant financial losses. But after more than 80 years of driving on 1,000 kilometers, they accomplished the mission. 9. Transport from dock assembly. Last but not least, wheel loaders, dump trucks, or bulldozers in the northern region play a pivotal role in the delivery of these massive machines. The North reportage demonstrates the journey of these XXL construction vehicles, from their unloading in Bremerhaven to their final delivery to the customer. This port houses one of Europe's largest terminals for such vehicles. Due to their enormous size and weight, the machines are shipped in separate parts. This is also true for Germany's largest wheel loader, the Cat 992K, which is assembled in the north. Heavy transport vehicles haul the enormous parts of the wheel loader from Bremerhaven to the small town of Achim near Bremen. This municipality is a key hub for all types of construction machinery, where the giants are put together in a local company. Jan Soltau, who works there, is coordinating the arrival and delivery of such a massive wheel loader for the first time. 2 cranes are required just to reload this colossal machine. Europe's largest bulldozer is also assembled in Achim. It will be used in a marl pit near Hanover. An assembly team will attach the 9-meter steel blade directly on site, which will be used to push the stones. Only then will the Bulldozer, which costs over €2 million, be ready for its first operation. And here we end today's video. Share your thoughts about the transport of crazy big machines in the comments below. Remember to hit subscribe to stay tuned with our more jaw-dropping videos about the big and rare machines. See you in the next video.